To add a new banner to the website, which appears on the home page in this area here, which you can actually scroll through. So a new banner up here, or for example on the training homepage as well, you've got a banner as well. To add a new banner to any of these key pages, what you need to do is log into the CMS. Now what you have to do is actually create the slide image yourself first of all, which I'll run through when we actually meet, give you some templates, give you some software to install so you can actually edit the text on these pages and change the image if you want as well. But once you've done that, what you'll need to do is save that image, log into the CMS, and from the option down the left hand side, if you select slides, you'll see all the banners that are on the website at the moment. And you'll see that they're all in the one section, but they all appear on different pages. So what you need to do is to add a new slide. If you select Add New, put a title for the slide, ignore the SEO, slide image. Now if you need to set the featured image, so select that, and then you'll get the usual upload options up there. So you've got to add from the computer, from URL, or from media library. I always recommend to just upload it from the computer. So if you select the file, find where your banner is, hit choose, which will upload the actual file itself. It'll come up there, and what you can do from that is the same as you would do as if it was from your media library. You'll get the option to use as featured image. Hit use as featured image, and what it'll do is you'll see in the background that the actual image just there has actually appeared. Once that image appears there, you know that it's actually taken hold. So upload your image, and when it gives you the option for like the text, the alternate text, if you just use as featured image and then close that window down. The slide link, you have to find out where you want to link it to. So for example, I want this slide that I'm going to do to link to the support page, for example. So basically I want this to link to this page. So all I need to do is go to the top into the browser address bar, copy that address URL and paste it into the section there. That basically tells me that this banner is going to link to that address, and that's basically how the banner is going to look. Now over on the right hand side, this is basically where you tell it to actually sit on the site. So do you want it to be part of the About Us banner, the Deployment, Home, Solution, Support and Training? If you tick that, whichever box you want it to appear, if you want it to appear in all of the boxes, select all the boxes and hit Publish, and then that will actually add the new banner to your slideshow. To edit an existing slide, select all slides again, and just get rid of that. So the trash apply. Select the slide title, and what you've got the option to do is you can actually remove the featured image, and then it'll go back to add a feature image, and you just basically replace the image in there. You can change the site link, and also you can change if you want it to appear on multiple banners. Once you've done any of them changes, always remember to use the update button. As you saw, to delete an image, if you go back to show all slides, select which slide you want, go to bulk actions, move to trash, hit apply, and that'll move it into the trash area. Don't worry about emptying the trash area. Every so often, part of the maintenance that I'll do, I'll go through and have a look at what we've got in there and get rid of anything that we don't need. And the settings also as well, what you've got is you've got a number of options you can actually set. I'd leave the quantity at 3 at the moment. You can change the slide height if you want, you can change the width of it. Again, I'd leave them for the time being. You can change the transition style, so at the minute it scrolls left to right when you hit the next and previous button, as so. What you can do is you've got a number of different options there, so you can have it so it scrolls up, scrolls down, it fades in, it fades out, so that's totally up to you if you wanted to change that. You can also change the speed of the duration of the slides as well. So once you've done any of that, if you just hit the save changes, that will change the website as well.